like I said the last time, I had people ask me about new Pokemon stuff, the 25-year, 25th year celebrations and all that stuff. So I got more of that, and I'll show it to you. But what I was saying right before the last video cut off was I was saying how these optics, they're 35, and these Bowman Chromes are 39. These are $4 more. Let me even say, usually with these megas you get like 100 cards, over 100 cards. Weird. Exclusive packs. My buddy said you only get 27 cards here, but 4 and 6 per pack, which is 24, and then a bonus 3-card pack, so he was right. 27. There it is right there. 27 cards per box. Oh, these are the ones with the pink parallels. Sorry. I just wanted to make sure. Oof, I got that in. Oh. That's so funny. The one guy. What the heck is going on? Not sure how or why, but my video screen just moved. I don't know how the heck it did that. Anyways, the guy he grabbed me out in the parking lot and gave me like $40. And I didn't even want to sell the stuff, but it's my one buddy, and he needed them really bad. And since Barnes & Noble wants you to take 2 of each UPC code, because he wanted all of them, and I said, yo, man, I'm buying them for myself, too. So I let him take 1 of each. And then basically he had them at a show. One was for like 50, the other one was like 70 or 80. I think 80. Right, there you go. I forgot they had Topps Chrome there. So I said, I want a price check. And they were trying to get me to buy like Prism and all this other stuff. And I'm like, I get that cheaper on the internet. These new 25th year celebration ETBs, I've never seen anything like it. They're putting them out, they're buying them for 50 and putting them out for like, some guys for 100, some guys for 90, some guys for 75, some guys for 80, 85, and they're going like that. It's nuts. Seriously, it's crazy. one of the stupid Chrome blasters was like block and everything. So sorry for how bad this video is going so far. I'm like half asleep. I'm ready to conk out. I need some sleep. They also had Donruss football blasters, as you can see. Got another one of these. That's weird. They're always trying to conserve bags and making sure they like that last one, they shoved all that stuff in there. And for this box, it's nothing. It's 2 Donruss football hangers and a Pokemon 25th anniversary ETB box. Alright. I got this at the card show. Prism Gravity box. Score display box. Uh-oh. I see my 2 Topps 92 football gold packs. My 92 Hockey Series 2 Stadium Club packs. My 91 Upper Deck packs football. My Collector's Choice. I think that's 93, I'm not sure. And my 91 Upper Deck. But what I don't see is the only pack that I was trying to stick in there. Make sure it didn't get wrecked. Which, who knows? Bouncing around at the bottom of the bag. It's actually okay. Do you remember these guys? 94 Jam Session. This is so cool. I always say how they remind me of the diamond marks, but most people don't even remember the diamond marks. Now for the good stuff. Select 2020. And of course, the display box is there. I got all these. At least the Prism pack stayed in the Prism box. Alright, what do we got here? I am not pulling these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright. 17 packs. But yeah. How do you go wrong with 2020 football, whether it's Prism, Chronicles, Donruss, Optic? You can't go wrong with that stuff. Show flyer. If you're in the area. Go to the Woodlands. November 7th. December 19th. And I hate to keep saying this, but bad left shoulder. I hate to keep saying this, but sorry for how crappy this video is. It's terrible. It's one of the worst videos I've ever made. I got this. They're clearing these things out at Walmart. It's like they had like number stickers, to-do lists, all these different things. And I figured I could use them for pricing stuff. Even though I haven't sold anything. Well, I got those $40 things in Barnes & Noble's parking lot. Guy, I really wanted them bad. And I just gave them to him for what I bought them for. Actually, I lost money because of taxes. I got them for $40. Gave them to him. Well, got them for probably 42 something, 42 and change because of the tax. So, but he's my buddy. He's the guy I always tell you about how he trades me stuff, gives me good deals. So, 2 more optic baseballs. Put the Walmart bag in the Barnes & Noble's bag because it's so small. Crazy. Two more. 2 more in one bag. There we go. It's funny how these things sell like retail for like $15. Or maybe there might be 21. And then and then you see them on the internet. Lowest price is like $44.95. They're more than doubling them. $45 for a hanger box. I'd rather just charge everybody $2 a team and break it. I gotta start breaking again. That was so much fun. And that jerk from Canada stiffed me out all that money, and I wound up getting a bad taste in my mouth. Uh-oh. Here we go. You know, I'm not even gonna open it. You could tell through the thing it's a Bowman Chrome wrapped in one box, wrapped in a bag. Alright, I'm not even going to open this. It's one more of the Bowman Chrome mega boxes, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I take that back. There's 2 Bowman Chromes megas, two Chronicle basketball megas, and 1, 2, 3, 4 Chronicles hanger boxes. This is nuts. It's almost time. Then I got halfway done with my Barnes & Noble stuff. Okay. Prism football, no one wanted them. I got 2 of those. 2 Prism baseballs, no one wanted them. Got 2 of those. Not taking them off. Alright, 2 more baseball packs. Those update things. And it was funny, they had 1 fat pack of hockey left. Well, since I'm a hockey fan, I grabbed it. Obviously. No, there it is. Alright, only a couple seconds left. Thank you.